As I come up to the fourth year of the loss of Lois, my wife of 49 and a half years, it is a tender time. There are reminders everywhere of her life and of her influence on me, my family, and this ministry. We are very close family, and all that has happened in my life, family, church, urban alternative, books, tapes, everything has been defined by her. So we've had over these 4 years, the ups and downs and the roller coaster of emotions, sometimes high, sometimes low, but that comes with it. Some of you have experienced it yourself with losses and coming through COVID, because right after she passed was COVID, and we had to deal with that, as you did too. And I want to just thank so many of you who have been grievers with us and allowed us to grieve with you on some of your times. And so that's part of life. It was outside of our hands. We had to put it in the hands of a sovereign God. And so as I worked through the ups and downs of singlehood, God in his sovereignty has brought someone into my life. And this someone has traveled this similar road. In fact, she and her husband were on their way to Lois's funeral when her husband died. And as I've tried to share the ups and downs of my life with you, I wanted to share this and get you the opportunity to meet my new fiance, Miss Carla Former. So it's a sensitive time. It's a time when, because during the times like this, you're also reminded of loss. And so I want your sensitivity as you pray for me, as we walk through this journey, as she walks through the grief that she's had to walk through. I lost my father 1 month and then lost my wife the next month. She lost her mother 1 year, lost her husband the next year. So there've been a lot of similarities. And so just pray for us. It's already invoked some grief in some people, which I can understand, because we're reminded about the fingerprints. The one thing I've appreciated about Sister Carla is that she has held Lois Evans high and honoring her legacy here at Oak Cliff Bible Fellowship, and I appreciate that.